Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Webhook settings in SigmaMind AI to automatically send call summaries to Google Sheet. And here I'll be using anything to demonstrate the workflow. Now let's see. I have created an agent here that handle customer queries related to plans, billing, and connectivity issue. So what will happen is after every call, SigmaMind AI generate post conversation insight, which is exactly the data we want to send using the Webhook. So SigmaMind also support conversation started and conversation ended event. For this video, I am using the post call analysis to generate a call summary. So here in post conversation insight, I have added the summary to analyze the conversation and give a summary. And then under webhook settings, when you click on this add webhook, you just have to pass the webhook name here and the agent label webhook URL and the secret key. This secret key you can get from SigmaMind AI itself. You just need to go to settings from your home dashboard and then go to API keys. Now click on this create API key and just give the name of this key something and then click on create. Now your secret key is generated. You just need to copy this secret key and paste the value here. So before closing this, just make sure you copy the secret key because once you close this, then this key will not be visible for anyone. Now, and then after just need to click on this submit button. Now let's see in N10. So I have created this workflow in N10 using the webhook node. Under webhook node, I have just give the post method here. I don't need to pass any authentication here, and I have used this webhook URL here. Now, so I am using this webhook to send data in this Google Sheet. So here I am only sending summary, agent name, and termination reason. You can send any information from the call, but I am sending only these three. Now let's test the agent and see if the data is getting updated on this Google Sheet or not. Now I just ended the conversation here, and this summary of this conversation should get updated on Google Sheet. And so let's see. So here in the Google Sheet, you can see the agent name, termination reason, and the summary of the call is updated. So that's how you can use SigmaMind AI Webhook settings. Thank you.